Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. What we have here today is a 1969 Plymouth GTX. This is a real deal numbers matching car. It's a real deal two-tone car, so it's got the tan metallic and then the bronze metallic as the separator. It has every option you could think of on the interior. I'm going to open up the hood so you can see the heart of this car, which is a 440 cubic inch big block motor that puts out 375 horsepower. It does have the optional air ram, so air grabber. So essentially what you do is you have a lever that you can pull inside and it'll open up these vents here and you'll get fresh air to that filter right there. Once again, numbers matching, fully serviced. It has an SSBC brake upgrade, so it has disc brakes up front, a dual master cylinder, four barrel carburetor, and then the prior owner opted to put on a vintage air system, which works phenomenal. It has upgraded radiator, which keeps this thing cool, and this car came from Texas, so it got really hot there and he decided to do that. I think it's a great feature of this car. All of the numbers match. It's been verified by a former Plymouth connoisseur. I'm going to show you guys the body lines now. Just take a look from that edge to here. There's not a speck of rust. It's super straight. You've got your signature GTX badge. You've got a set of Firestone red walls, or red line walls. Beautiful trim throughout, and look at the paint. I mean, it's unbelievable. I couldn't find an imperfection on this car if I tried. I'm going to open up the trunk for you. Got your spare tire and your jack in the rear with a little bit of foam back there so you don't have any rattling. Original jack instructions right here. And once again, this is the correct color combination for this GTX. Look at the side right now. The sun's hitting it. And I mean, it's unbelievable. It's just enough metallic to make you just smile if you see this thing going down the road. The wheels are in impeccable shape as well. I'm going to open up this door while I walk around to this side, and I'm going to fire her up. Take a look at that interior. All the glass is in exceptional shape. Look at the door card. I mean, where are you going to find something like this? It's numbers matching. That's super rare with that two-tone option and the air grabber hood. I want you to see that I'm not even getting in there to give the carb any throttle. We're just gonna fire it right off. Got itself a tachometer in the dash. Every single thing works in this dash, from the voltometer to the gas gauge to the temperature gauge. All of your lights operate, and the radio has been redone, and it looks like there's an auxiliary on the rear of it, so you can plug something in. We haven't figured that out yet. But look at the back of these seats. I mean, it's unbelievable the attention to detail this car has. Look at the headliner. It's so nice. You think we should take it for a ride? Let's go. All right, so we're inside the cabin of this vehicle. I want you to look at the dash. Look at the center section. This is actually how it's supposed to be. When you open up the doors, the lights are coming on. The shift selector is in excellent condition, and you've got your vintage air hidden underneath this dash. These are your selectors for your air condition. You got yourself a tack that works. Man, she sounds good. Horn works. All of your lights operate as they should. You got yourself a nice set. These things aren't flapping everywhere, so they're going to stay where you put them. You don't have to put some duct tape here. It works as it should. It's showing 10,647 miles. I don't know if those miles are correct, but it sure does look nice. Let's go. So there's no clunking going into gear. Neutral, reverse, no clunk. Power steering feels great. Those upgraded SSBC brake rotors really complement this car. Oh, she sounds good too. Look how nice it is. It's going left to right. All the bushings are brand new underneath, so if you can, I definitely show a picture of the underside of this car right now. Shifted into second, no problem. That 727's doing its job. And we're in third gear. There's no funny sounds coming from anywhere in this car. It's actually a very comfortable car to drive. And then when we get to that corner, I'll give it a little bit of gas when we have no traffic in our way in case we break loose. We'll just do a little turnaround right here. Brakes feel great. Pushing them right now. It's slowing down the vehicle as it should. We're now pulling from left to right. Wait for this traffic to pass and we'll give her a little bit of gas. Idle is unbelievable. It's not too low, it's not too high. See how she feels. We're smoking those tires. Look back there. Woo! This thing runs unbelievable. If you're looking for a investment grade car, you can smell the rubber. Woo! This is a car for you. Numbers matching, runs and drives as it should. You can bring it to any car show and be happy. Give us a call, 954-363-2261. If you need help with shipping, we ship to every single state, including out of the country. 954-363-2261.